Welcome to Law Tech Daily, the podcast that keeps you informed on the latest happenings in the legal tech world. Join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as we explore the cutting-edge advancements and breaking news in the industry. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. In today's episode, we'll cover Clio integrating with Google Ads, reveals acquisitions of Logical and iPro, the impact of 3M settlements on tort liability cases, AI dominance in legal tech, the creation of a full-service e-discovery platform, and more. Let's dig it. So let's dive into the recent happenings in the world of legal tech. One big announcement came from Clio, a legal tech company, as they unveiled their integration with Google Ads. This fresh feature allows law firms to efficiently manage ad expenses, advertise on Google search, and capture local leads all within the Clio platform. What's interesting is that they've employed a pay-per-lead model, so attorneys only have to pay when potential clients actually engage with their ads. At the moment, this service is only available to US-based firms operating in specific areas. Moving on, Reveal, a prominent e-discovery company in Chicago, made major moves as it completed the purchases of Logical and iPro for $1 billion. We'll discuss this in more detail as part of our key stories. And speaking of big numbers, 3M recently announced a historic $6 billion mass tort settlement. Allegations of safety concerns were raised regarding Battlefield earplugs produced by Aero Technologies, a company acquired by 3M. While the settlement doesn't involve an admission of liability, it's definitely going to have an impact on future mass tort cases. Now let's talk trends. Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to dominate the legal tech space, being utilized in various areas such as automating processes and enhancing data security. Generative AI is a subset that has gained attention as well. The ILTA conference showcased many startups like Aiden Technologies, Lupel, DeepJudge, DraftWise, and Capacity, who presented their unique AI-powered products. Cybersecurity discussions went hand in hand with AI developments, emphasizing the importance of protecting sensitive data. Exciting advancements have been made, such as Aiden's ability to scan software binaries for vulnerabilities and rebuild non-compliant machines, contributing to boosting cybersecurity. To sum it up, the integration of Clio and Google Ads presents a promising opportunity for certain-sized law firms to expand their reach and grow their practices. Reveal's acquisitions demonstrate a strategic growth plan within the legal tech market, aiming to provide clients with improved control and choice. As for the $6 billion settlement by 3M, it marks a significant milestone that may influence future mass tort cases. So all in all, the legal tech landscape is evolving with innovative technologies and exciting developments. Now let's dig into our key stories. So, big news in the world of legal tech. Reveal, a major e-discovery company, has just made a massive acquisition, scooping up both Logical and iPro in a deal worth over $1 billion. Interestingly, the whole thing was funded by their majority shareholder, K1 Investment Management. Talk about a power move. Now, Reveal is no small player in the game, but this acquisition takes things to a whole new level. They're aiming to create the very first full-service e-discovery platform that caters to all legal teams. By combining Logical and iPro's unique capabilities with Reveal's powerful AI technology, they're set to form a centralized hub that can tackle everything from simple, self-service cases to those intricate, head-scratching legal challenges, but it doesn't stop there. This acquisition allows Reveal to cover all stages of the e-discovery process, which means it can now serve a huge range of clients. We're talking small and medium-sized businesses all the way up to giant multinational enterprises. And let's not forget about the employees and clients they're gaining through this deal. Reveal will be expanding its workforce across more than 24 countries and will now have a customer base of 4,000 clients. So it's safe to say that with this game-changing acquisition, Reveal is cementing its position as a force to be reckoned with in the e-discovery world. Sebastian Forgs, the Associate General Counsel and Chief Counsel for Innovation and Emerging Technologies at MITRE, has some interesting ideas about how to approach contract negotiations. According to him, instead of focusing solely on risk mitigation, lawyers should prioritize business goals and encourage innovation. He suggests 3 key principles to achieve this. Firstly, Forbes advises lawyers to talk less and listen more. By allowing the creative energy of the business to drive negotiations, both parties can engage in more productive discussions that lead to innovative solutions. Secondly, he proposes that negotiators should start with yes. This means assuming agreement without imposing unnecessary conditions or restrictions from the outset. Approaching negotiations with a mindset of mutual understanding and cooperation can create a positive environment for innovation to thrive. Lastly, Forbes suggests that negotiators should address the rest. This involves identifying and mitigating execution risks in a prioritized manner. By focusing on the most critical risks first, they can effectively manage and minimize potential obstacles to successful innovation. Forbes acknowledges that these principles may face challenges and require a gradual shift in mindset. However, he firmly believes that adopting these approaches can unlock the innovation potential within companies. So instead of solely concentrating on risk mitigation, lawyers should prioritize business goals and embrace innovative ways of conducting contract negotiations. By talking less, listening more, starting with agreement, and addressing execution risks, negotiators can create a more conducive environment for innovation to flourish. And that's a wrap. Subscribe, follow, and join us next time to learn what happened in legal tech this week. Stay informed, get ahead.